My video is about getting rid of the adware type application called LevelSmite. LevelSmite is the adware that actually belongs to the adload family of adware type infections, and this adware attacks Mac computers and Mac browsers, Safari, Google, Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers, but mainly Safari is being attacked. LevelSmite adware is actually spread through integration with many free programs, so in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Once installed, this adware may periodically display a lot of intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. If it was added, you need to check your available applications, find this adware, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.